The other token that I think you should be looking at is based on the CoinGecko report. Now, CoinGecko did an amazing, amazing report. Go and get yourself this report. This report talks about the state of the industry, where we've come, and it ends the report after Q1 of 2021. The one token that really, really came out tops on that report was one that I've been calling on this channel since about $1 or even less, 35 cents. And that, of course, is Luna or Terra. And the reason why they say that we should look at Terra and Luna is because, well, first of all, let's see what happened to Luna this weekend. So let's look at what happened to Luna. And you can see that the price of Luna went down, and it was, I think, very close to $10. And I couldn't believe that this token was that low. I mean, just $13. That is absolutely ludicrous for the token that probably has the most adoption of any token in the entire world. And that's what we're going to talk about today. This token went down to a $13 a token. Absolutely ludicrous. And I'll tell you why it's ludicrous. So what does this token do? This token is an algorithmic stablecoin. And they're creating an ecosystem where they are encouraging users to use this algorithmic stablecoin. And their user base looks like this. Fred, now you can call up that start. I see you keep jumping the gun. Fred wants to show you his amazing slides. Okay, so what they said is that the fastest growing, the largest algo stablecoin in the world, and the fastest growing algo coin of all of them is Luna. And it's no wonder, guys, because if you look at this ecosystem, look at the ecosystem they've created. They've created the stablecoin. And then what they are in the business of doing is building an ecosystem around it that will create use of the stablecoin. And as the use of the stablecoin grows, so does the market cap of the token. That's very simplistic. So what do they have in the ecosystem already? Well, for one, they have the Chai Money app, which is the most adopted money app in Korea. And it has, I think, 2.5 million or 3 million users already. So that's huge. They've got the Anchor protocol. The Anchor protocol provides you with yield, 20% fixed rate on US dollars. There's no other protocol that does that today. They've got a derivatives protocol. They've got the Mirror protocol. Mirror protocol allows people to mirror or to create synthetic assets and to trade synthetic assets. So you're looking at all of these and you're going, this is one where they are building a healthy ecosystem. And this ecosystem is now starting to use the token. Guys, this thing is going to break its all-time high. In fact, at this point, I want to bring back Sheldon because I want Sheldon to call up the chart for us and tell us if it's a good time to buy. Sheldon, if you're watching, buddy, I know you are watching.
What's up, buddy? What you need?
Luna. I want you to chart Luna for me, and I want you to tell me if this is a good time to be getting into Luna.
Brilliant time to be getting into Luna. Why? Perfect break, perfect test. This is a good zone, and it looks like we're actually going to be popping out quite shortly. So this is a great zone for us. Just exactly what we want, right? So to the strategy, higher high. We got a higher low, a higher high. We've come for the retest, tested support. So chart-wise, it looks amazing. It looks really good.
Amazing. What would be your buy target there, Sheldon?
My buy zone. Yeah. So what I'm looking at, there we go. Yeah. So my buy sort of target, it may come, I don't think we're going to come lower than where we are right now, but $16 to $17.5, we're still in there now. Great buy, because this can take off at any point. The fact that we have come down and test these zones and we've captured liquidity is good. So this can take off at any point. And what's exciting about the coin is all-time high is not too far away. We're sitting 20-30% away. So we know the FOMO that kicks in when we start to break those levels. So that's a healthy retracement from the previous wave we've had. A great breaker trend, a good test. And if we have a look, volume is starting to increase, which is good. So I think this is, in a way, it's a good buy. Good buy and hold.